Okay, you're good.
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hey guys. This Friday at the shop, we decided to do a little behind the scenes on how we do install videos. So this is a JLU rack here that is unreleased, but we're working on a way to mount it to just the rain gutters, and then we're working on a solution to tie it to the cage like a tie-in so it can handle more weight. So one of the issues we run into while we engineer new products is that to move forward on that test fitting and engineering, we have to actually modify a vehicle so that we can do the installation. So it's kind of a crazy process where I have to film a portion of the installation video, the final installation video, before we even have the product completed and the engineering done for it. So in this instance, I have to drill holes in this roof so that we can tie the rack to the roll cage or to the tub or whatever we do in some way. So we just kind of have to get that done. So I have to, with authority, show you exactly how you're going to install this rack on your vehicle and how you're going to drill through your $2,000 hardtop. I have to get it right this time for something we don't even know how it's going to mount exactly, but we're pretty good at this. We've been doing it for a long time. We know where these holes are. We have CAD drawings of everything, but as you know, it works in the computer. It doesn't always work in real life. So here we go. So the first thing you're going to have to do when you get ready to drill your roof here is get the rack installed on top of your JLU. So this bar right here is kind of in the way of this mount here. So like I said earlier in the install video, you're going to go ahead and leave this bar out. The back bar you can slide back in the back of its slot. So we have the mount up here mocked up. We're going to grab this little corner bracket here, 90-degree bracket. It's got two slots here and it has two round holes here. The slots go against the inside of the rail. So we're going to pull these two bolts, we're going to put this on, and then we're going to mark our holes to drill through our top.